Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. We have just uploaded a video about the best alternative of Midjourney, and the best part is it is even a free alternative, so make sure you check that video out. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review a tool called BlogAssistant. So after hearing the name, you may already guess what kind of tool it is. Yes, you are right, it is another blog writer, and I know that you might ask, why should you need another blog writer when there are already so many? Let me stop you right there. This BlogAssistant is not similar to all the writers that are currently available. It is very different, and let me tell you how. So first of all, this BlogAssistant is powered by GPT-4, which is the latest language model by OpenAI. It provides way better output, way better information than the GPT-3 or even GPT-3.5. And then perhaps comes the best feature of this BlogAssistant, which is the blog posts that you generate using this tool are not going to be detected by AI content detectors. So you may already know that the market is filled with so many different types of AI content detectors such as Originality AI and so on. And these tools are very good at their job. They can detect AI content even when you write them from ChatGPT or any other popular platforms such as WriteSonic, Jasper, PaperType, Writer. And this is exactly where BlogAssistant makes the difference. The blog post that you generate using this tool is not going to be detected by any AI detector. So that's a pretty bold claim by BlogAssistant, and I am also going to test if this claim is really true or not. And then there are some other additional features such as you can write blogs in over 30 languages, and then you can also get human-like results. The blog writing is very simple to use. You can control the blog length, you can generate keywords. There are multiple versions of a blog, and you will even get proper images that are related to the topics of your blog. A great news is BlogAssistant is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So instead of the regular pricing of $960, you will only have to pay $59 and you can get lifetime access to this tool. BlogAssistant is an alternative to Copy.ai and Jasper. Now let's have a look at the features of this tool. So as you can see, these are the features. And then these are some of the tiers that you can buy. The tier 1 costs $59 with 10 blog credits, and the highest tier is tier 4, which costs $399 with 200 blog credits. So you might ask how this blog credit works. In simple terms, one blog credit equals to one article, and the article could be maximum over 4,000 words. So that's pretty good. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. BlogAssistant also has some subscription plans, as you can see. So after you log in, you will get this dashboard, and on the left side of the dashboard you can see the primary three features. So the first one is blog detail, where you have to craft your blog with proper details, and then there is the my blog section. Here you will find all of the blogs that you have generated using BlogAssistant. And then comes another feature, but it is not released yet. So it is called undetectability. What this feature does is make your content which is generated from AI. This undetectability feature will make those AI generated content human-like. As a result, AI content detectors are not going to be able to identify that your content is written by an AI. So this feature is yet to be released, so stay tuned for that. So let's go to blog detail and try writing a blog. So the first thing you want to do is select the blog language. So it is currently in British English. So let's change it to American English. And then you have to choose the length of your blog. So it could be 500 to 2000, 2000 to 4000, or even only 5000 words. So let's select this first one. And then you have to type your blog topic or the title or the main keyword. So I have typed healthy habits. So this is my blog title. And then you can also provide a call to action. So this is going to be my call to action. And then you can generate some related keywords, and you can also paste your keywords in this box. But if you want the AI to handle the job, you can simply click on generate keywords. As you can see, 5 related keywords have been successfully generated. And then you can also generate outline. So let's generate 2 outlines. So as you can see, 2 blog outlines have been generated. Now you can choose only one outline. You can also choose both if you want. If you want to add something, edit or reorder, you can simply click on here, and then you can add it as you need. So I'm going to select both of these outlines, and then you can simply generate your full blog as well as the titles. So keep in mind that this button is for generating your blog. You can also suggest some titles such as meta title, description. So let's simply generate our blog. Click on proceed. So as you can see, the full blog has been generated. This is the blog and it is about 880 words. You can see the characters. You can copy the text to clipboard. You can also copy as HTML to clipboard, and then there are the formatting options, and here is your full blog. So if you read this blog, you will know that this blog is a very good one, and the writing is very human-like. It does not sound like AI at all, and I guess this is why the blogs generated from BlogAssistant cannot be detected by AI content detectors. And there are also some other things that BlogAssistant has done. So if you scroll to top, you can see they have suggested 5 different types of titles. They have also suggested the metadata, which is the title, and also even the description. So this is amazing. And if you scroll down, you can even see some image suggestions. And if you take a look here, so you can use generated images for commercial use, which means all of the images that are suggested by BlogAssistant, you can even use them on your blog as commercial purposes. There is no need to worry about copywriting issues. And if you want to download the image, just click on that and then click on save image as. So now comes the moment of truth. Is this article going to be detected by any AI detector? So let's try this GPT-0. Let's also try OpenAI, and then let's also try CopyLeaks. So I think testing this blog using 3 AI content detectors are going to give us a concrete evidence if the BlogAssistant really generates content that is not detected by AI content detectors. So let's copy this full content, and then let's go to GPT-0's AI content detector. So all you have to do is paste the blog in this box. As you can see, this is the full blog, and then you have to click on get results. Okay, so let's agree to the terms of service and now click on get results. And as you can see, according to GPT-0, your text is likely to be written entirely by a human. So it is proven by GPT-0 that the content that is generated using BlogAssistant, according to GPT-0's algorithm, this text is entirely written by a human. So that's a pretty good start. And then also let's try the AI text classifier, and keep in mind this AI text classifier tool has been developed by OpenAI themselves, so it is also pretty accurate. So let's paste the blog in this box, and then let's click on submit. So the result will display here. So as you can see, the classifier is saying it considers the text to be very unlikely to be AI generated. So this very unlikely is the focus keywords. Once again, we have got solid proof that BlogAssistant is really generating content that cannot be detected by AI content detectors. So let's try another one, which is this CopyLeaks. So let's paste the blog in this box and then click on check. And once again, as you can see, this is human text, and this is the result that you have received from CopyLeaks. So once again, we have got solid proof that BlogAssistant is really generating content that cannot be detected by any AI content detectors. So back to BlogAssistant. Now let's go to my blogs, and as you can see, the healthy habits blog is now appearing on this section. It is written in English and the length of the blog is 500. So overall, I think BlogAssistant is an excellent AI writer. I know that there are a lot of tools that are dedicated to writing AI content, and most of them are even free. So why should you pay when you are getting free content? Let me tell you why. First of all, BlogAssistant is powered by GPT-4, and the data GPT-4 has is way more than GPT-3 or GPT-3.5. So that's a pretty big deal. And then perhaps the best feature of BlogAssistant is their ability to be not detected by any AI content detectors, and this has to be an amazing feature for any writer. So overall, I think BlogAssistant is a great buy if you are into writing content. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you will get from the tool, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. Let me know what you think about BlogAssistant. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.